Hello, healthy readers. I am so excited to introduce to you the next book club read for the Healthy Readers Book Club. This is going to be for January, February of 2026. This is how we are going to kick off the new year. Our next book is going to be Radical Acceptance: Embracing Your Life with the Heart of a Buddha by Tara Brach. And one of the things that I try to do when I pick books is to start each year, I've done this for the last 3 years, I think, is to have a book that starts the year off with a self-care or a mindful or a gentler start to the year, just a topic to help us embrace the beginning of the year and learn something as we move forward. As always, I'm going to read the back of the book, and then I will share the book count with you, and then I'll talk for a little bit about why I chose this book. Okay, here we go. Believing that something is wrong with us is a deep and tenacious suffering, says Tara Brach at the start of this illuminating book. This suffering emerges in crippling self-judgments and conflicts in our relationships, in addictions and perfectionism, in loneliness and overwork, all the forces that keep our lives constricted and unfulfilled. Radical acceptance offers a path to freedom, including the day-to-day practical guidance developed over Dr. Brach's 20 years of work with therapy clients and Buddhist students. Writing with great warmth and clarity, Tara Brach brings her teachings alive through personal stories and case histories, fresh interpretations of Buddhist tales, and guided meditations. Step by step, she shows how we can stop being at war with ourselves and begin to live fully every precious moment of our lives. I just think that's beautiful, and I think it's certainly something we could all use. So the book is 328 pages. That is 6 pages per day. On average, that is approximately 6 to 8 minutes per day. I think we can all squeeze that in. Some people may choose to read ahead, read a little bit faster. Some people may choose to catch up. However you read it, the goal is to have completed this book in 2 months so that at the end of February, on the first Monday of the month, last Monday of the month, not first, last Monday of February, we come together in the book club to discuss what we thought about the book. I'm very excited to work on that with you. So I will share that part of the reason I picked this, in addition to, of course, trying to find something that would be a nice, gentle, thoughtful start to the year, is when I was researching books, I happened to look at the table of contents for this one, and it starts with a trance of unworthiness. I think that's probably something that a lot of us deal with. There's a lot of imposter syndrome going on, or a lot of self-doubt or concern. And wouldn't it be nice to let that go? And as we go through, near the end of the book, we talk about awakening compassion for ourselves and then widening the circles of compassion. And I think, given how crazy the world is today, it just seems like a really wonderful way for us to begin the year, to begin to take care of ourselves and learn how to dive a little bit deeper in that and be able to get that gentle start for ourselves and for those around us. And I have to share that I also really like the idea that there are stories in here, that she's going to be sharing some stories. I like that because it sometimes helps make the material come alive. I'm also very intrigued to learn that there are some guided meditations in here. Can't wait to try those. And so we're definitely looking forward to it. So again, our book is Radical Acceptance by Tara Brach, and I will put the information down below. I cannot wait to read this book with you. Take care. Bye.